Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your Discord channel or how you can delete the Discord channel if you are the owner. Let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. If you don't have Discord yet, you can download it from this site over here. Go and search for Discord download, click on this site over here and click download for Windows. Now you can install it and you can log into your account and you can see this is the interface of Discord. You can see this is my channel over here. Now if I want to delete it, I'll just go ahead and click on the settings, edit channel option over here, and then you can see delete channel right here. Go ahead and click on delete channel. You can see delete channel clearly over here. Go ahead and click on it again and you will delete your Discord channel. Let me show it to you once again. First of all, open Discord on your PC. Then after you open it, you can select the channel which you want to delete. You must also notice that if you are not the owner of the server or channel, you cannot delete it. So only if you are the owner, you can go ahead and proceed to delete this. What you need to do is go over the server or channel and click on edit channel over here. Then you can see delete channel option on the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it. Then click on delete channel. After this, you can see that the channel over here is deleted. Now you can remove this from here as well. So guys, this is how you delete a channel on Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.